Hello everyone, welcome to Afro 101 channel. Today we're gonna learn how to Zanku, that amazing step that comes from Nigeria. If you've never seen it before, check it out on social media, YouTube. You will find a lot of videos about Zanku, but today I'm trying to give you the basics, the little details, that little formula that's gonna make your Zanku look cool, groovy, and that everybody wanna look at you being like, woo, where did you learn this? Bring them here. Okay, so let's start. Number one step. What you're gonna do is just bring your knees together. That's very important. When you bring your knees together, you're gonna have that posture that you're looking for, you know, that looks a little bit laid back, but it's not really laid back. What you're looking for is a posture that's gonna give you more bounce, right? So having your legs together, it feels weird, but that's okay. That's okay, that's where you wanna go. And then step number two. Well, part two is all about tapping. And at first when you look at it, there's one little detail that actually most people don't do. It's tapping with the inside of your foot. So as you're tapping with the inside of your foot from one leg to another, you will start hearing that little eh, 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 eh. And the timing you're looking for is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and that's a little cadence you're gonna start repeating it, okay? So again, part two is all about tapping, and it starts and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Height. Now, we're not done just yet. There is the last part, part 3. For you to make this look good, you have to groove with it, and the groove comes with the bounce of the upper body. So just like I'm doing, you know, sideways. Tiny, you don't have to make it too big, just sideways. Sideways, sideways, that's the one. As you're doing this, you can have your arms crossed like this. And something that some dancers do, look at the shoulders. That's the one. You shake those shoulders to give even more swag to your jumping. And that's it. That's how you Zanku. I hope this is helpful for you guys. If you love it, enjoy it, down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and we hope to see you for the next How To Dance. Okay? Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Before Beckham, me and me I know they see you're jealous, cause I did by the Almighty. Want to me and me